Hello guys, in this video we will see invoice processing automation by using RPA. We have done this project as a POC for one of our clients. In this project, the robot downloads the invoice from a web application and reads the invoice available in JPG and PDF format. After reading all the required data, the robot enters the information into another application. Let's start our robot. Hope you liked the video. If you have any queries related to OCR and document processing, please contact us. Thank you.